Hello everyone. Today, surprisingly, I got a chance to visit a place from where my breakfast come. As a working mother, I do depend on food that is not completely home cooked. The brand ID is something that I rely on most of the times for their dosa batter, parota, and whatnot. And this time, when we came to Bangalore, we got a surprising opportunity to visit their factory, which I was actually looking forward to. Since I give that food to my children, I have wanted to ensure, I give the best to them. Just now, we visited the factory and we are on the way back to our room. So I thought of leaving you an audio because I know many of you will be relying on the same product. See, the factory was 3 to 4 years old, but then it is neatly kept just like a well kept home. Okay, I should really congratulate all the team members behind that and also the management who ensures that it is very neatly kept, even every bit of the wall, floor, their workspace, everything. Another important thing that was very appealing was the value system that the team members hold and how they communicate it to every staff out there. The quality of the raw materials that they procure, how it is processed, how it reaches the the last step of packing. We watched everything and we were quite satisfied with what we are feeding our children. So I guess this would be a good knowledge to you also. I was absolutely awestruck to know that they painstakingly prepare idli from every batch of batter that they make to ensure the quality. I also would like to thank the CEO Mustafa PC who gave us this opportunity and also the other team members there, especially Mr. Murthy, VP of Manufacturing, Mr. Nisar, who is heading the factory, and Mr. Kaushik, who was very enthusiastically who took us around the entire factory and explained everything to us. And I forgot to mention, this is not a paid promotion.